Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple fascinator. You can make this for your little one. You can also just make it to just patch on your hair if you want something light on your hair. Okay, so we have a winner from our last tutorial. I asked a question and we have a winner. Before the end of this tutorial I'll announce the winner officially. Yes, and she will get a gift. So I'll be using straw strip. If you do not know how I got the straw strip, you should watch the video. Click on the link showing on your screen right now and watch the video on how to get the strip. So the size of my strip, the measurement is 30.5 inches. Just watch the way I'm going to fold this. Can you see? It looks like I'm making a loop out of my straw strip. Okay, so this is a very simple fascinator. Like I said, you can make this fascinator in few minutes. Can you see the way I'm bending it? Now I'm going to bend this one towards the center, and this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll use my needle and thread and start stitching. You have to stitch and be sure that it is very firm. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Turn on the notification bell too, so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. So now I'm going to attach my feather. Can you see? I'll attach my feather and I'll still stitch, but of course at the end of the day I'll still attach some glue. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, like you've been here before and you have subscribed, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. Please like this video. Please comment. If you have any question, you have a tutorial you want me to try out, let me know in the comment section, okay? So you can also share. Yeah, let it get to more people. Thank you. Keep watching. Okay, so you can see how I'm attaching my feathers, right? And then I'm going to use a comb at the back. And then you can watch how I'm going to stitch my comb onto my fascinator. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. Alright.
So like I said, I'll be announcing the winner. And the winner is... Okay, no, before I announce, let's see her comments. She said, you used the peg to hold the 4 sides because when you secure those sides, you will avoid it getting bumpy and smoothing the surface. And to ensure the whole sides are equally held. This is beautiful, and she got it right. So congratulations to OKK Faith. She will get a slot in our 2 weeks intensive fascinator making training. If you would love to be part of that training, the link is in the description box and also in the comment section, okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm tying my thread so I can cut off the excess thread because I'm done stitching my comb onto my fascinator. Okay, so just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit.
So what I'm I'm going to do next, I'll use some parts of my feathers to cover up any parts that my thread is showing. So I will use my UHU glue to put on the part of my fascinator that has a thread showing. Then, of course, that's the part I stitched. Then I'll now use some parts of my feathers to cover up that place so that it looks neat, okay? So that's basically how to make a simple fascinator. Like I said, it's very simple. And as you can see, it's a simple. You should try this out. I would love to know what you came up with.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't be the right. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't be the right. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't be the right. The gas in the back of the set, never leaves. She's so bad that the can't be the right. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside